Hello friends and welcome back. Today I have a vintage inspired Halloween display to share with you, which I recently finished in my dining room. Inspired by the traditional colors of the season, I've mixed together thrifted finds, hand-me-downs from my childhood, some newly crafted items, along with some newly purchased items to create a fun display with a vintage flair. So before we go into the decor, I'm going to share with you some of the new items that I picked up to use this year. First off is this adorable pumpkin that I picked up at Walmart. I just love the graveyard scene with the tree and the cat. I just love that. It was just a little under $6, which I thought was a great price for such a cute little pumpkin. Plus, you can always turn it around and use the backside as well. So, multifunctional. Also from Walmart, I picked up this little cat votive. I thought he was so adorable. It was under $2. They had like 3 different versions of different figures. I can't remember what they were, but as you can see, you can put a votive in the back. Perfect for a battery-operated votive, which of course I will be adding. I picked up this cute little stack of pumpkins from Target. It was somewhere between $20 and $25. I can't remember. It's battery operated and it has a timer, which I think is absolutely fabulous because I love the timers. As for thrifted items, I found this cute little ghost candle. It was 99 cents and I just love that he's holding a cute little pumpkin. I also found these 2 little ghost figures. The first one is a porcelain one from Goodwill. It was only $2.99 and I think it is really, really cute. I also picked up this cute little trio. It's made from wax, but it doesn't have a wick. So I don't know what's going on there, but I was not passing it up because I thought it was adorable. The cute little pumpkins, a little black cat, so cute. And then look on the back. If you turn it around, there's another adorable little pumpkin and a bat. I mean, how cute is that? It's so stinking cute. So I just love it. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I think it was only a couple of dollars at the thrift store. My daughter found this ghost candle holder and she wanted me to add it into the mix. So of course, I had no problem doing that. This homemade pumpkin I found like 2 summers ago and I don't think I ever used it last year. So I thought I would include it this year. I fell in love with the adorable fabric and I just think it is so cute. It doesn't have a stem. I keep telling myself I should add one, but for now it's fine. This summer at the church sale I found this big pumpkin and I was so thrilled to have found it. And then I also found this pumpkin that lights up at the thrift store recently. As for crafted items, I had finished off this adorable paint by number. I have a second one started. It probably won't get done on time though. So here's a quick mini Halloween tour. I very much hope that you enjoyed today's video. I would love to know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.